between your mobile phone and SSD. This Type-C to USB and Type-C to Type-C cable has got you covered. Let's get into the details and see why this cable is a game changer for your tech setup. In this video, we review the ultimate Type-C cable, Type-C to USB and Type-C to Type-C, that simplifies all your data transfer needs, whether you are moving files from an external SSD to your computer or from your mobile phone to SSD. This versatile cable delivers top-notch performance. We will cover its key feature, build quality, and why it's a must-have for any tech enthusiast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and tips. When you are looking for a Type-C to USB or Type-C for external SSD and mobile phones, several factors should be considered. Best performance and compatibility. Here are some key points to consider. Key features to look for. Number 1, data transfer speed. Data transfer speed USB 3.1, 3.2 generation 2 provides up to 10 Gbps data transfer speed, ideal for high speed SSD. USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 offers up to 20 Gbps, suitable for the latest SSDs. USB 4 or Thunderbolt 3 or 4 supports speed up to 40 Gbps, ensuring the fastest possible transfer for compatible devices. First key feature. Second, power delivery. Wattage. Look for cables supporting for high voltage, for example 60 watt, 100 watt, to ensure fast charging for mobile phones and powering external SSD. Number 3, build quality. Material. Durable materials like braided nylon and reinforced connectors increase longevity. Connector quality. Gold plated or reinforced connectors can reduce signal loss and improve durability. Compatibility, including different operating systems and hardware specification. Ensure the cable is compatible with your specific device. Length. Choose a length that suits your setup. Longer cable offers more flexibility but may reduce data transfer speed slightly due to signal degradations. Brand and certification. Trusted brands and certified cables, USB if certified, ensure reliability and performance. Recommended products are there, lots of products are there in market. We can recommend you Anchor Powerline, Belkin, Cable Master, Apple USB-C charger cable, Samsung USB-C to USB-C. Selecting the right USB-C to USB or Type-C cable depend on your specific needs such as data transfer speed, charging capabilities, and device compatibility. Trusted brands like Anchor, Belkin, Cable Matter, Apple, and Samsung offer reliable options. Prioritize certified cables to ensure safety and performance. See, this is the cable. The first end is a Type-C. Look here. Second end is a USB and Type-C. Here is we have a choice. What do you want to connect? Which device you want to connect? If you want to connect to USB device, then the USB port is there. If you want to connect Type-C to Type-C, then Type-C. This is the Type-C, and this is also Type-C and USB. See, USB and Type-C. This is my external SSD, which has a Type-C port, and I want to just connect this Type-C SSD to my all-in-one. So first I connect this cable to SSD, external SSD. See here, I connected the cable. And now I am connecting a USB port to my USB hub. See here, this is my USB hub which I have connected more than 4 cables there. First I remove this one and connect to my SSD on that port. See here, the light is blinking. It means it detects SSD right here. See here. Type C to USB. So I connected USB. See, these are the files which I already copy in that SSD. So you can browse, you can copy, you can transfer whatever you want to do from your external SSD to your PC or your PC to external SSD. Open Windows Explorer and open your SSD. See here. I am copying from my downloaded folder to SSD. Selected some file, press right mouse button, copy that files and select that SSD and paste here. See, from my laptop to SSD. Second, I am copying from documents, selecting some documents from my document folder. See here, document folder, and selected some files here. Click right mouse button and copy these files. Whatever you want to select, whatever you want to copy, select those files. Select it, then copy, then my SSD, then paste. The same procedure, whatever you are using for copying file, control C, control V, etc. etc. These are the files which I copied to SSD from my laptop. Deleting files from SSD. Performing operations on files. Delete it. All file what I copy, those file I delete it. Create a new folder. Name temp. Then copying some files from picture. Selecting some my own pictures. See here, selecting some picture files, press right mouse button, copy, and what you created that folder, temp, paste here. Simple. So what you did here, copying from my laptop to SSD and SSD to my laptop. All operations, copy, paste, delete, creating folder, and copying those files into the folder, deleting that folder. Next, we can perform these operations on my mobile phone. So first, I connect my mobile phone to SSD. Type C to Type C. This is the second example, Type C to Type C. This is the SSD and this is my mobile phone. So first we connect this, connect it, then open your mobile phone, just like this. Search for OTG. I am searching here. OTG. See, this is the option. OTG connection. On this connection, light is started there. See, recognize my SSD. It recognize OTG 285 GB of 1 TB. Then I touch that one. See, this is my SSD where I listing all browsing all files of my SSD here. Right? Same operation you can perform here also. From SSD to your mobile phone, from your mobile phone to SSD. Look at here. I'm doing all these options from here. See, opening some videos from internal storage, copy that, copy, and this is my external SSD. Open this and open that folder, which folder I want to copy that file, and copy this. See here, copying my video from my mobile phone to that SSD via this cable. Right? So you can perform any operations, copy, paste, delete, rename, moving, etc. etc. from your mobile phone to SSD and SSD to your mobile phone. Vice versa. So here copying files. The light is blinking. It means it's performing some operations on that SSD. I am copying my video from my mobile phone to SSD. So you can perform any operations, copy, paste, delete, rename, making folders, etc. etc. See here, this is my SSD. So I am opening here my SSD. Now opening my mobile phone internal storage, my photographs, selecting some photographs from here for copying from my mobile phone to this SSD. And copy, then choose external SSD, then moving in picture folder, copy and paste. You can see here, go to your SSD, in the picture folder, all these files are copied from my mobile phone to SSD. Copy, delete, some extra files comes in my copy operation, so I am deleting those files from my SSD, right? Same operation I can perform from my SSD or backup device to internal storage of mobile phone. See here, device storage, then where I want to copy, select that folder, go to that folder and paste here. It asks for replacing of that similar file. Then choose the operation what you want to do the operation here, or what you want to perform that operation here. So I replaces my existing file with these files. So you can make a folder, you can copy, paste. See here, 285 GB used against 1 TB. So you can perform any operations with this cable. Remove safely this cable. Okay, remove it from your mobile phone. This is the cable which we are using transferring data from SSD to computer, from SSD to mobile, or from mobile to SSD, or from computer to SSD. It has two ports, Type-C to USB and Type-C to Type-C. Here I show you how to use this cable. See, in this video we have seen how to connect mobile to SSD and SSD to mobile, and browsing data, transferring data, etc. etc. See, from mobile to SSD and SSD, Type-C to Type-C. We perform these operations via this cable from laptop to SSD backup device, from backup device to laptop or PC, from mobile phone to backup device, or from backup device to mobile phone. Hey, thanks for watching. We hope this review helps you find the perfect Type-C cable for all your data transfer needs, whether it's moving files between your external SSD and computer, or transferring data between your mobile phone and SSD. This versatile cable is a game changer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with any question, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tips. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.